Friends, today we are going to see lens formula 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Today we are going to prove. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Okay, we have here it's a lens, convex lens. Okay, so AB is the object. The ray which is parallel to the principal axis, it refracted through the focal length. The ray which is passes at optical center is directly it's going to the it's undividedly it goes straight. Okay, so both will be converged here. The image is formed at A dash B dash. Okay. So now I am going to prove 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. This is a formula we are going to prove. Okay. First I am taken as a triangle in triangle OAB. OAB. The another triangle I am taken OA dash B dash. Okay. Two triangle I am taken. Okay. Two triangle is a similar triangle. How this two is a similar? This angle equal to this angle because it's going at like this. Okay, this angle is equal to this angle. This is right angle. This is right angle. Okay, two angle is I proved it is similar. Okay, the third angle also will be in similar. That is this angle. Okay, this angle also will be the similar. Okay, this two triangle is a similar triangle. Okay, now this two similar triangle you can take it as a ratio formula. AB divided by A dash B dash. AB divided by A dash B dash. Okay, this triangle divided by this triangle is equal to OA divided by OA dash. Okay, this is a ratio formula I am taken. If you want, you can take it as a third side also, OB divided by OB dash. Okay, that also if you want you can take it, but now I don't want, I want only two sides. Okay, this I am taken. Okay, again I am going to take it as a one more triangle. Okay, the another two similar triangle in similar triangle. These are the two triangles I am going to take it. LOF. Okay, LOF, and the another triangle FA dash B dash. Okay, FA dash B dash. Okay, this two triangle also similar triangle because this angle is equal to this angle is equal to this angle, and this is perpendicular to the principal focus. Okay, this two triangle is a similar triangle. Okay, that means you can take it as a ratio formula. LO divided by A dash B dash. LO divided by A dash B dash is equal to FO divided by FO divided by FA dash. Okay, if you proved it is a similar triangle, you can take it the ratio formula. Okay, if you whatever sides if you want, you can take it. Okay, now we are taken basically it's a four triangles OAB, OA dash B dash. Okay, LOF, FA dash B dash. Okay, this triangle we are taken. Okay, from the diagram we are taken. Okay, these are the four triangle we are taken. Okay, AB is approximately equal to OA. Okay, OL. Okay, OL is approximately equal to AB. Okay, this length it's equal. That means OL is equal to AB. So in this triangle I am substituting OL is equal to AB. So AB divided by A dash B dash is equal to FO divided by FA dash. Okay, that means see here first equation, second equation. This is the first equation, it is a second equation. Both the equation left hand side is equal, only right hand side left hand side if it is equal, right hand side you can make it it's a equal. That means OA divided by OA dash is equal to FO divided by it is FA dash. Okay, so we proved this two is right, left hand side is equal. That means right hand side we can make it as equal. That is the thing I made in this equation. Okay, now we'll see what is OA dash. Okay, OA is the object distance from the lens. We can take it as a U. It is a left side to the lens. You can take it according to the sign convention minus. Okay, now it is OA dash is a plus V because it's right side to the lens. Okay, so right side to the lens positive, left side to the lens negative. Okay, U is object distance, V is the image distance, and this focal length is a positive because it's a convex lens. Okay, now OA is equal to minus U. OA dash is a plus V. Okay, FO is a F. Okay, and one more rules, always you have to write whatever data you are writing, you have to relate with the optical center. Okay, so FA dash is not related with the optical center. I am going to relate with the optical center. If you want FA dash, you can take it OA dash minus OF. Okay, that means it's going to give us a FA dash. Okay, that I am going to take it as instead of taking FA dash, I can take it as a OA dash minus OF. The same thing exactly equal to FA dash. Okay, OA dash minus OF is equal to FA dash. Okay. Now OA dash is a V. Okay, it's a positive V. Okay, OF is a focal length F. So that means you can take it, it is a F divided by V minus F minus U divided by V. Okay, this is the equation I got. Okay, now this minus I am taken just multiple with the left hand side and right hand side is the common minus. Okay, so multiple both the side, left hand side, right hand side is a multiple by minus, negative sign. That means here minus minus will become as a plus, U divided by V. This side is a minus F, V minus F. Okay, this negative I am taken as a inside to the denominator. You can take it like that. Okay, so U divided by V is equal to F divided by F minus V. Okay, now just I am flipping the equation. V divided by U is equal to F minus V divided by F. This equation we got. Okay, just I am going to take it as a LCM. F by F, this is a F is common for these two terms. Okay, V divided by U is equal to 1 minus V divided by F. Okay, so this whole equation divided by V. So 1 by U is equal to V divided by V get cancelled. This is going to be a 1 by V. Okay, 1 divided by V minus V divided by F. V get cancelled. Okay, so now 1 divided by U is equal to 1 divided by V minus 1 divided by F. Okay, so this I am going to take it as a left side. So this I am going to bring as a right side. That means 1 by F is equal to minus sign is going to become as a plus sign, 1 divided by V minus 1 divided by U. Okay, so we proved the what is the focal length of the convex lens. Okay, this is the lens formula. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you everyone.